can just get moving and grooving. Sorry, guys.
You're fine.
You're good.
Been
All right. So the group quiz is just answering all the questions, correct?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, cool. Is everybody on there? I don't want to jump the gun.
to question 2.
The first one's just, are you participating? All right, is everyone ready? I don't want to jump the gun.
Yeah.
Okay, so number 2, I put the toothpaste was as the only one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. And number 3, mean IQ test is 120 random selected. Oh, so this one's where it's talking about. Hold on.
Sorry. I think 100 is a statistic, right?
Yeah.
All United States.
Yeah,
So-
and then, or
Yeah. Sorry. No. Go ahead.
I thought that 100 is the parameter and then 112 is the statistic,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. The parameter is. So I wrote down on my thing. Hold on. My notes. Where the crap are my notes? Okay. So the statistic is the entire population, whereas a parameter is small enough to be like something that can be measured. So
Okay.
is that, sorry, I'm going back and forth between my notes.
So the statistics, the whole thing, and then the population's just, the parameter is just the sample.
Yeah. So
Okay.
So does that make 100 the statistic or the parameter?
the statistic describes the sample, whereas the parameter describes an entire population. So a statistic could be like a very large population, where parameter could be small enough to measure. It would be like 10% of the 100. It's more specific. That's what I had in my notes.
I kind of thought.
So the mean IQ test of the United States is 100. So that would be a parameter. 100's a parameter, right? And 112 is a statistic?
Right.
Okay. Did you guys already say that? I'm sorry.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay. Moving on.
It's fine. Let's just. I want to get this done.
All right, number 4.
I said
I got stratified.
I put stratified too.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, okay.
Jackpot. Okay, 5.
I said stratified again.
I said stratified too. Yep.
Not for 5, for 4,
For
or
4.
wait, yeah.
For 4 and 5, I had both stratified, I think.
That's what I.
Wait.
What would you have?
So for 4, I had stratified, but for 5, I did a cluster sample. The questions are different numbers than they were on the.
Yes, they are.
It's throwing me off.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
so
don't know for sure.
Oh,
I
it
was
could be cluster.
it's a cluster because it's groups and then it's all of those within those groups, right?
Within those groups. No, you're right. I think it is cluster, yes. Because cluster is where it's the same as stratified, but then they use the specific people in the groups, correct?
Stratified is where they do
Yeah.
the random sample of the group, and
Yeah.
then clusters when they do everyone in
The
the group.
specific people in the group. Nope, you're right. It's cluster.
Number 6, I got SRS.
Yep. That's like the one where you pull it out of a hat. I just remember that from the notes. That was the example they gave.
And then stratified again for number 7.
Simple
Yeah.
random people. Yep. Okay. Okay, number 8. I have this in. Okay, the mean. I just put this info in.
I got the mean as 4.77.
Yeah, same here. 4.77.
Okay. Standard deviation. I got 1.9. Probably need another decimal in there.
Standard deviation. Why is my computer? Oh my gosh. Sorry. Yeah. My computer's... Okay. Sorry. What was the standard deviation?
I have 1.9, but I need another decimal in there.
I got 1.91. 1.912. 1.912 is what I have. Sorry.
Okay.
1.9.
Yeah.
Is that what you guys have?
Yeah, that's what I have.
Yeah.
1.192. I'm writing this down. Okay.
1.192?
That's what I have. Let me double check. 1.192. Yeah. Sorry. I could say that 50 times. Sorry. All right. Histogram. I created a histogram representing. Yes. Yes, I did. My computer actually did it.
Yes.
So for number 11, did you guys get negative 0.09?
Okay, let me get down. Oh, I got negative 0.17. Am I way off?
Well, I got negative 0.16, but you're probably right because I probably didn't round up like I was supposed to.
Okay, let me look at because it's saying 3 decimal places, right? So, because I put 37.91, subtract the mean, which the mean I got was 38.08. Did you guys get that?
Oh, I just did 38 even. It's probably my problem.
Okay. Because did anyone else get 38.08? Because I just added up all of the numbers and divided by 5, I think. If I'm looking at or 4, whatever the information was.
Probably did it.
Okay. Yeah, mine just. Sorry, go ahead.
No, what did you get for your mean again?
Where did I write it? I'm looking at my paper. I had 38.08, so I added up.
Oh, you're right. No, you have it. I don't know why the first time I got 38. Oh, so what did you get for number 11?
I got negative 0.17. And Jen, I think you said you had negative, yeah.
I had negative 0.16, but I didn't write down what was after that, and I can't find my work, so I don't know if I didn't round up. I probably didn't round up.
No worries. We'll just put negative 0.17, and if it's wrong, then we'll try our second time and put negative 0.16.
Is there a third decimal to that? I think it's...
Oh, wait. Is it supposed to be 3 decimal places?
Yeah, I don't. And for B, I have 3 decimals, but for A, I don't, where the A mark was. I don't. I just have negative 0.17. Because I did 37.91 subtract 38.08. Hold on. Am I supposed to square that? Hold on. No, because A is just the answer, right?
Yeah.
All right. I'm just going to go with negative 0.17. I don't think it could be anything else.
Okay.
I don't know. What do you guys say?
I think I did that question wrong.
No, I believe that sounds right to me.
Okay. So for B, I got negative 0.689. Anybody else?
Yeah. Well, I got negative, for B,
Yeah.
I got 0.68.
0.6. Okay. So I had negative 0.689. So, because I did 0.83, which is 0.83 was the answer, and then I squared it, or not squared. Is that square?
What?
What the heck?
Oh, they're okay.
Question 13, variance.
Oh, it shouldn't be negative, because 2 negatives make a positive. It should be just 0.689, right?
I got 0.680.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. And the next number is a 6. So I guess it would be 6.1 or 6.81.
Oh,
But I don't know why that's different from what you got. I was trying to do it again real quick to see if I got a different answer.
Are you using negative 0.83?
As the
as the answer. So I did 37.25 subtract 38.08, which gave me negative 0.83. Am I doing that right?
3808 is the mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Could be way off.
So the standard. What's the? Hold on. Do you have the standard deviation off the top of your head?
Nope.
For 14?
That's the variance.
Oh, for 13 is none of these is correct.
Okay. That's what I thought. I almost thought it was the variance.
So my tutor told me that it was none of these is
Okay.
correct, but I need reminded why. Is it just because we don't have enough
So,
data?
in my little chart thing, whatever, my table thing that I made, the variance is the sum of the squared deviations. That is the variance.
What is it? Hold on.
The sum of the squared deviations
Yeah.
is the variance.
Gotcha. Okay.
So,
Okay.
All right.
So
14.
what did you get for number 14? I got 0.715, but my mean and my A and B were also wrong.
What is this?
Here, I'm doing it.
I did.
We have more tight one day than this.
Hold on. Going back to my notes. Okay, find the standard deviation. Hold on. I ripped out all my I have notes on my Word documents, and then I have notes on my notebook. I'm really prepared. Hold on.
I have
I just lost-
0.715.
Okay, cool. That's what I got.
All right. All right. I feel good about it. I can't find my
And then-
notes on that. I was just looking at.
Sorry, for which one?
Move on.
I would say 5.
For 14,
I got 0.72.
Okay. She had 0.715.
I have 715, and you would round to 0.72.
Yeah.
Okay. It asked for 3 decimal places, so should we stick with 0.715?
If you put all those numbers in Excel and then you do the equal standard deviation and you highlight those cells, that's what it comes up with.
Gotcha.
0.72 what?
It's 715.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Awesome.
For number 15, I got false because I never have a negative standard deviation.
It always has to be between 0 and 1. Isn't that one of the principles or something?
Yeah. Yep.
Tasha, what did you get on 12 again? Sorry.
No, you're fine. 12, hold on. Let me go back. For 12, I had 0.689. What did you have? Did you have just 0.69?
Well, I had 0.68, but I just did it again. And
Yeah.
and so I was trying to see if what I got was right, but it's still not. I got 0.83. I think I'm missing something.
I'm sure it's right. It just rounds up to 2 decimal points versus the 3.
Well, oh, I know what I did wrong. I'm sorry. You guys can.
You're fine. All right. We'll go to the seals. the thermistor or whatever. I hate word problems. I'm just putting that out there. I hope she doesn't watch this video. Just kidding. I love it. All right. The most consistent measurements from one seal to another.
It's what?
Extradural.
Yeah, me too.
I have extradural because he's got the lower standard deep. I can't talk. Are we right though? Hold on.
Yeah, because it's got the
lowest sample size with the lowest mean and the lowest standard deviation.
So it's just more consistent.
All right. Extradural it is. That's a name. Okay. The third quartile I know is Q1 is 4 minimums. That Q1 median. Q3 is 6. Do you guys have 6?
I think that's an 8. Are you looking at the end of
yeah, it's 8. I'm sorry.
I thought that too.
6 is the median. You're right. Nope, it's 8. Sorry, I was blind. All right. Oh. Okay.
What percentage of the data lies between 4 and 8 hours? Oh, isn't it like there's 25% in each one? Or am I wrong?
Okay. I love you. I'll be there in a little bit. Love you. Sorry. Lorenzo, get to bed. All right.
That's 60 or whatever, right?
I got 50%. Yeah.
So the maximum is 12. That's 2. You got 10.
Because one deviation from the mean, one deviation from the mean is 68%, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't think for a box plot. I think everything is separated evenly.
Okay.
Taking it and it's
Isn't it 40% of the data? Correct? From 4 to 8? Because that's, or wait, no. 4 to 8. Because it's 4 out of 2 to 12, that's 10, and then 4 to 8 is
between each one.
Yes,
Then this one's bigger than
because there's 25% of the data. So like 25% of the data points are between them. 25% of that. It's not actually the value. It's not the total value added up. The data points. So 25% of the data is here. 25% of it is there. 25% of it is there. Just as far as the data value, like the data points. Like if there's a
So when you did the 5-number summary on the homework thing,
yeah.
it says that the standard deviation is 2.
Yeah.
And so 4 is 2 away from 6, and 8 is 2 away from 6. So that means
It should be 95.
that it's 1 standard deviation, because a standard deviation equals 2 from the mean. So I'm saying it's 68%.
Okay. But it should be 0.6. Honey, I'm gonna know.
0.6, yeah.
Actually,
No, I think it wants you to put
just roll me over and scratch my face.
Okay, I will. Love you, baby. Go, 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 go.
You see at the bottom of question 18, it says if it's 66%, then input 66. No.
If I just 56,
Right. So it'd be 0.6.
No, 0.6. Oh, yeah. Okay, Lorenzo, go, honey. I'm gonna beat my child. Just kidding, guys. I won't. All right.
Observation from a normally distributed population is considered unusual. It is more than 2 standard deviations. The reservoir contaminant that can harm the city's water supply. Nitrate.
No, I haven't done this one.
So yeah, these ones I wasn't really sure about the last 8 or so.
Okay.
I got 2.055 on this one. 19.
Yeah, that's what I got.
I didn't do that one, you guys. I apologize. What did you guys get? Or I can do the calculation myself.
2.055.
You have to solve for M.
Solve for M?
The mu for the mean.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, that's just
Got
how
it.
I wrote it.
It's mu, not m.
Yeah.
Estimate
It's
the
like,
the
so you're using 1.59 and 2.52 in that.
Okay. And then you subtract it. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay. So 2.055.
That's what I
Yeah.
got.
Okay. I'm writing it down.
Once you solve for M, you added them together, and then you just divided it by 2.
Gotcha.
You divide it. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. All right. Have you read yet? Okay. Hey, love you. Oh. Sorry. Children coming out of the woodworks. All right. The standard deviation of the measured nitrates concentrated in Rexburg's drinking water. Run your answer 3 decimal places.
I got
Gosh.
0.42. I don't know how I got that right now though.
How did you solve for mu if you didn't have a standard deviation before?
So
the mean is going to be like the it's in between this and this, the 1.59 and then 2.52, and then divided by 2 because it's going to be like in the middle of that, whatever that is.
Yep.
And then the standard deviation.
I set it up 2.055 plus 2, and that little O symbol equals 2.52.
But that's
And then I got 0.2325.
Huh.
I needed.
Where's my notes? I feel like, because guys, I already took the exam. I feel like the questions were more clear than this question is. Just a heads up. It has the same formula that you have to use, but this one's wackadoodle. Just throwing that out there.
Oh, I think so. The way that I figured this out was because it says that anything outside of this is unusual, and so it says anything that is considered unusual. It's considered unusual if it's more than 2 standard deviations away from the mean. And then it says that anything outside of this range of 1.59 and 2.52 is unusual. So the mean or the standard deviation so there's 2 standard deviations in between the mean and 1.59.
I think I understand what you're saying.
I think I drew it out, and that's how I figured it out, and that's why I can't. Oh, I did. It's right here. That's why I couldn't find it, because it's right here.
That's right, buddy.
So then the half of the distance between those 2 numbers is the standard deviation.
Half of the difference.
If 1.59 is 2 standard deviations from 2.05, then the first quartile is the standard deviation. or that space in there. You know what I'm saying?
I feel like I understand. Like I feel like I do, I get it, and then I don't. I'm not.
So it'd be like 0.55 minus 1.59 divided by 2. Is that right? I don't know how.
And that's how you got 0.46.
No, that's not the right. That's not that. So I don't know how I got it. That's 1.26. Crap.
All right.
Guys, I gotta get going to something, but I'll just.
Sure thing. All right. See ya. Sorry it took so long.
Oh no, it's fine. All of our kids would. See you guys.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.
For number 21, I got 1.823 and 2.88.
That's what I got. And 2 point what?
2.288. Okay.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah, that's what I got.
I had
Yeah.
2.88. Way off. All right. I'm an idiot. All right. The next one is easier.
See, I haven't done that. The GMAT,
Okay, so it gives you the mean, which is the 542.3,
okay.
and then your standard deviation, which is the 120.54.
Uh-huh.
Sorry. And
I
so,
got-
oh, sorry, go ahead.
50% for the 24 or 22, whatever.
You what? Sorry, Jen, I can't hear you.
I got 50% on the first GMAT question.
Yeah. Because it's asking for the probability of the score above 5 point. Did you just enter that into the app?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. That's the same here. So does it want us to just put 50 or 0.50? It's 0.50, correct? Is how they would want it?
Or 0.5. It doesn't say
Yeah. Okay. That's what I was just wondering. I was like, because that question earlier. I'm just going to put
Yeah.
0.5. Yeah. All right. 23. What is the probability that a randomly selected will score below 600 on the GMAT? You're right.
I said 0.68.
Yep. Mine had points. Hold on. I'm going to my app. I wrote down 0.683. Why did I write that?
That's probably what it is. I just probably didn't write any more than 2.
No. All right. I'm just going to put 0.68, and I'm going to, hold on. What number is that? I'm making notations so I can go back.
23. That's what it would round to anyways.
Yeah, so it should be fine. All right. Cool.
Yeah.
What is the probability that a randomly selected student will score 600 or above on the GMAT?
I said 32.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. I put 0.32.
Well, these ones I was like really not sure on. I felt like I was getting them, but I was like, this seems like it shouldn't be this easy.
Yeah, I know. Well, we'll find out. Did we get a couple tries with this one? I didn't even check. I'm sure we do.
The 10th percentile, yeah, probably. I
Okay.
got was 387.8.
Find the GMAT words to the 10th percentile. I don't have that one written down. Hold on. What did you get?
387.8. And I was thinking that, probably makes sense because 500 is not far from the mean, and they're saying like barely anybody under 500 gets in. So the 10th percentile, that'd be pretty low, right?
Yeah, it would be. Well, the 10th percentile, so that should be the people who score. So that means only 10%. Yeah, that makes sense. It should be really low. Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
I'm talking out loud to myself. Okay, so you got 387.8.
Yeah.
Okay, let me look at this. I'm like a hot mess. I have all these notes and then I ripped pages out, so I'm trying to find everything.
And then I just realized I did the next one wrong.
Okay.
Because I really thought that it said what's the 9th percentile, and I was like, that's not very different from the 10th, but no, it totally says 90. That's so not the right answer.
Okay. Let me find that one. 542.3. Hold on. So for finding the 90th percentile, hold on. I'm gonna do the calculation real quick. Point 47. Okay. We need the 90th percentile, correct?
Yeah.
What the heck am I doing? All right. I'm going to come back to that one.
Okay.
All right. Well, find the first quartile of the distribution of GMAT scores, round to the nearest whole number. That would be...
I got 422.5.
What did you get? Sorry.
422.5.
All right. How did you get quartile 1 out of all of this?
The first quartile?
Yeah.
Because of the mean and stuff.
Oh. Is quartile 1 always the mean?
No, the first quartile is halfway between the bottom number and the mean.
Gotcha. That's correct. Okay. That's right.
So, like, you do that applet, and you have it like at the 68. It's just that first little section before that. That's the first quartile.
Gotcha. Okay. That makes sense. Why is this applet so... Okay. I was not understanding that. Okay. Gotcha. All right. Find the third quartile. See, and I don't want to, Jen, I didn't do that. Like, I didn't understand this, so I don't want to, like, take all your, I feel bad. Like, I don't want to write all my answers down. I can figure it out.
That's okay.
No. All right. We can just move on. I'm going to write this down. Yeah. So 27, 28.
I need to redo 28 anyways.
Okay. I can do those on my own because I was not understanding it, but now I do. Okay. 29, a simple random sample of N's 15. What is the mean of the distribution of sample mean scores for all such samples round to the nearest 10th, one decimal place? And then 30 was the standards. All right. I need to go back and do this. This whole GMAT thing is throwing me off.
Yep, me
Okay.
too.
All right. Well, let's just, if you guys want, we can separate and just do that because I don't want to take all your answers, Jen. I need to redo that one. So.
Okay. I'll see you guys later.
All right. See ya.
Thanks.
All right.
See ya. Bye.
All right.
Bye.
Thanks, Jen. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.